Welcome to this module. Here we are going to talk about the solar panel nameplates. First of all, what do we mean by a solar panel nameplate? Some people will say data sheets. If you talk about the solar inverter, we talked about the nameplate of a solar inverter and the data sheet of a solar inverter. Most times you need the data sheet, not most times per se. It's as a professional solar installer, you will always need the data sheet to understand some things about the product that you are buying. So let's consider the solar panel nameplate. What really is the solar panel nameplate? And of what use is your solar panel nameplate? We have already expatiated on the importance of the solar panel nameplate, that without the solar panel nameplate, you cannot you cannot configure your system. You don't even know the rating of the solar panel that you are buying. Somebody should not tell you that this is 100-watt solar panel. There must be a nameplate on any solar panel that you are buying. I repeat, there must always be a nameplate on the solar panel that you are buying. This is what will give you all the information about the solar panel, its originality, if you are able to test it. So the solar panel nameplate help us know how we can combine the solar component and the solar panel itself with other components. The data sheet or the solar panel nameplate, it is the collection of information, that is the operating parameters. These are the operating parameters. Operating parameters. So if you don't have the solar panel nameplates on your solar panel, that means there is a problem somewhere. So the data sheet or the nameplate shows you a collection of information that will help end users and installers understand how the products function under certain conditions. We talked about standard test conditions when they were subjected to. For optimum performance, it is the operational manual of the solar panel. It is the operational manual of any solar panel or any gadget that you buy. It's not peculiar to the solar panel nameplate alone. Any gadget, any device you buy, the manufacturers will always put the nameplate. Even though your phone, when you are buying your phone, there is always a nameplate on it to inform you of the parameters, the operational parameters that is on the phone. So this is a 12-volt solar panel nameplate. It's a sun power product. So we talk about the rated power, the maximum power. This particular one that they choose to use rated power is the same thing. So you have plus or minus 3%. What this means, plus or minus 3%, means if you subject this solar panel to maybe you have it exposed to the sun or under standard test condition, like what we already said. Under standard test condition, you can see it here. Standard test conditions, 100 this 1.5 this 25 degrees Celsius. That was the condition that this solar panel was subjected to. So if you subject this particular solar panel to this condition, you might have a value that is 3% higher than 100 watts or 3% lower than 100 watts. For the mathematics lovers, if you find 3%, if you add 3% of these watts, you know what you have. And if you multiply 3% of this watts, you also have a value. So that is the value you are likely to have. So this solar panel is rated 100 watts, and the voltage at maximum power, we talked about, we said that for you to have the maximum power, you always have a voltage at maximum power and a current at maximum power. You can see here that this is the voltage at maximum power, and it is less than open circuit voltage. So this is the voltage you have. If you multiply this voltage and this voltage, is certainly going to give you something close to 100 watts. We said maximum power is gotten when you multiply voltage at maximum power and current at maximum power. So for you to have this maximum power, if you multiply this voltage at maximum power and current at maximum power, you certainly have to have a value close to this. That means from here, this solar panel should be subjected to a load. That is when you have under this condition. But when you are talking about open circuit voltage is the voltage you have when you are not subjecting this solar panel to any load, and is always higher than the voltage at maximum power, as you can clearly see it here. This is 17.5 volts and this is 21.0 volts. Which one is higher? Because this one is not subjected to any load, it tends to give you a higher voltage. And you have your short circuit current, 6.20 amp. It's equally higher than the current at maximum power. And you have your series, your maximum series fuse, and you have the warning here. So this is a 12 volt solar panel, and if you correlate this with what we have on our IV curve, you surely get a clearer picture of how these parameters on these nameplates came about. We are going to bring in a solar panel nameplate of a 24 volt solar panel.